Today we are going to talk about how to use chat. If you click on this icon, the little box with the lines on it, this is your chat icon. This will open up your chat window. When you need to ask your teacher a question, you can type the question down here on the chat line. When you're ready to post your question, you can press either this enter icon or the enter button on your keyboard. This will post your question to the chat bar. Please remember we're only using the chat bar to ask questions or to ask for help.